Hello friends, today I am going to explain Magento 2 session types. Let us start. Magento 2 provides 5 types session. Magento 2 customer session, Magento 2 checkout session, Magento 2 catalog session, Magento 2 admin session, Magento 2 newsletter session. Let us start one by one all these session in details. Magento 2 customer session. Magento 2 customer session used to print and log activities for the customer, where customer can browse the products, go to the details page, add the product to the cart, checkout process, add the shipping method, shipping and billing address, payment method, payment process, and do the shipping activities by using the customer session. And during these all activities, customer session maintaining with each other pages. And same way it's through the IDE storage in the database also. It's a model as Magento customer model session. File location Magento / module customer model session.php. Magento 2 checkout session. Magento 2 checkouts are used for the checkout activities page. Like we need to add the customer info, first name, last name, email address, shipping and billing address details for the zip code, for the street code, for the city, for the country. Same way we need to payment details also and number of product details, whatever products he has added into the card and transfer to the checkout page. So during these activities, checkout session are maintaining with each other. And this way checkout session is working. It's model Magento checkout model session. File location Magento / module checkout Magento / module checkout model and session.php. It's a module Magento catalog session. Magento catalog session for print activities for the categories, product related activities, browse product, browse categories, browse product details page, browse product list, browse category list, same way search for product categories and products. And during these activities, catalog session maintaining with each other. It's a model Magento / catalog Magento catalog model session. File location Magento / module catalog / model / session.php. Magento 2 admin session. This is very important session. All admin activities depends on the admin session. And admin logins, he can view each and every detail like order detail, like a catalog details, like a session configuration details, like a security detail, like a report detail. Each and every activity he can maintain. Even he can assign the sub-admin part like a manager or editor of the ACL part by using the admin session. So in this way, admin session activities working properly. It's model Magento backend model session. File location Magento / module backend / model / session.php. Magento to newsletter activities. Remember Magento to newsletter activity to maintain the newsletter session activity between the user ID and newsletter. Because when you are subscribing for the newsletter, you are getting the newsletter from each activity of the newsletter either once you subscribe. So during this period, newsletters activities are working properly because newsletter when you newsletter session maintaining is also separately stored in a separate database like a newsletter and the subscription. Through the ID they are storing there also in the database. This one newsletter session activities are working. Magento model name Magento newsletter model session. File location Magento / module newsletter model session.php. So guys, I have described all 5 types. So let's see how they are storing the Magento location. By default, store app etc env.php like this file. You need to check inside of env.php file image mode default session save files. This is default location of the session storage. You can change also, instead of files you can put the DB, but that is very harmful for the DB because DB size will be increases and it can be crack your DB. So always prefer inside of files. But when you install in the Redis in the server to speed up your website performance, speed up, in this case automatically session store inside the Redis because your website performance need to increase. Let us next page how the storage. For this purpose we need to add these lines inside of app etc env.php so that our Magento 2 website speed up work fast by using the session into the Redis server. So hope guys you have enjoyed with this session, and very soon I will come next video with a good knowledge. Please subscribe, share and view more and more this video with your many times for the good knowledge of session, and also view on my other video Magento 2 where I am putting the latest trend Magento 2 video. Thank you for watching this video.